Have a look at this, folks. Isn't that incredible? Yeah, this is so awesome. This video clip has already been processed. Notice how smooth it is and clear. This was captured with my camcorder, and that one is usually noisy. Look at the quality here. Wow. Now in the distance, notice the relative movement because we're in the air flying. Isn't that trippy? Look at that. Wow. You see that? That's bizarre. Can you figure out which way we're flying? It can be confusing because the background is moving to the left and the foreground to the right. And you may be thinking we're going to the right, but no, we're flying to the left. Isn't that weird? Wow. Look at all that stuff way in the distance. That's into Utah. Looking way out there into Utah, past the Grand Canyon. You'll see it shortly in the next clip. Wow. Look at that. Now we're zoomed in and panning around. Oh, look at that. This is incredible. Wow, look at that mountain. That's in Utah. That's Navajo Mountain. And that's the Grand Canyon North Rim right there. That's the Grand Canyon North Rim.